Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now? Open Teams on your phone and laptop. First, verify both devices share a stable network because syncing needs low latency. Make sure the phone app and laptop desktop client are updated. This avoids protocol mismatches. Sign in to the same Microsoft account on both, otherwise you'll create separate sessions. Once done, keep both devices unlocked and set Teams to allow notifications and background activity, since these permissions let the phone and laptop discover each other and start a connection. Now perform the device link. On your phone, tap your profile, then Devices or the meeting control that says Join on this device. This broadcasts a session. On your laptop, open Teams and check calls or the meeting controls. Look for the incoming transfer prompt. Select Transfer to this device or Join on this device. This moves audio, video, and screen sharing. Make sure camera and microphone selections are correct on the laptop, because Teams won't switch hardware automatically without confirmation. Finish by verifying laptop audio and video are active. Open device settings in Teams to pick the laptop microphone and camera, and mute the phone to prevent echo. If you're in a meeting, stop screen sharing on the phone after the transfer completes. If something goes wrong, try the one-key troubleshooting tip. Toggle Wi-Fi or Bluetooth and sign out of Teams on both devices, then sign back in. This clears stale device discovery and usually resolves transfer failures quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.